Crews continue to scour Northern California in search of the hundreds of people who remain missing after the camp wildfire. The official death toll is at 76 tonight, but that figure is expected to rise. This as the search continues for victims and survivors are struggling to pick up their lives. NBC's Dan Shinneman tonight with the latest.
In Northern California, this is what the Camp Fire has left behind. Towns and homes destroyed. More than 1,000 people are missing, and the death toll keeps rising.
An additional 5 remains were recovered, bringing the total to up to 76 human remains.
Saturday, President Trump visited the region and addressed the loss of property and the loss of life.
But this is very sad to see it. As far as the lives are concerned, nobody knows quite yet. We're up to a certain number, but we have a lot of people that aren't accounted for.
Many survived, but lost nearly everything.
No one knows what to do. We're all living minute by minute out here.
Some evacuees created a makeshift camp near a Walmart in Chico, California. They have been advised to move on.
All we've heard for weeks is by Sunday, everybody had to be gone.
And so what's your plan?
Well, I'm going to be the last to leave until everybody's gone because everybody needs help.
At least some help has arrived.
Brought some hand wipes and some little cat treats and some toilet paper and deodorants and toys for the kids. We got some little board games and stuff.
Trina Reed and Ronnie Maselli drove from Oakland to Chico to hand out personal items.
2 weeks ago, these people had their lives and they were going about their days, everyday normal activities, just like we were, and they need help.
Help in the wake of tragedy. Dan Shinneman, NBC News.